Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to my beautiful people. It's your brother, your friend, Casey Brown TV show. You know what you're doing. If you're your first time here, please try to subscribe. Leave your hand on the notification bell for more videos and updates. Here we'll bring information to our beautiful people so that you will be updated of what is happening. You understand? We'll bring information around. So guys, information is power. If information is wisdom, so you need to be informed and so that you know what you need to know. So that's why we are here. Please try to subscribe. Leave your hand on the notification bell and please share and like this video. Understand? So if you want to be part of this family, just kindly subscribe and leave your hand on that bell because anytime I drop videos, you'll be first person to be notified. So today let's talk about this family reunification. Understand? If you have any permission to search, you know how you can bring your family down here in Europe or mostly in Italy. So we are talking about Italy people. Understand? So how you can bring your family to join you here in Italy. Understand? So all the details that you need to know, I'm going to be breaking it down for you. Understand? So many people have been asking questions about this. So that's why we are bringing updates about this today. So today let's talk about how to do this to request family unification. You understand? So when you obtain this permit, like before, when you have 1 year permesso motivo di lavoro, understand? But if you have Casa Speciale, let me start from Casa Speciale, that is the lowest document. So if you have Casa Speciale, the last previous law, you cannot bring your family down here because you have Casa Speciale. Understand? Casa Speciale is not that strong protection, but it's just like protection. Understand? Like it's just you're escaping from insecure from your country. So it's not like subsidiary document or political political protection. So this Casa Speciale, now because of the new law they have changed, so we are still thinking that if someone can still ask for unification of their family back home, they have changed the law, they have removed that various law that was holding it, so they now place a new law. Understand? This new law, if you find a job, you can convert your Casa Speciale. If you did not find a job, you can still renew your Casa Speciale. They can still give you back your 2 years because of the new law. So now, but for family unification for Casa Speciale is on pending. Maybe some people are saying yes, you can request, you can bring your family, but some people, my own thoughts, my own points of view, like what they wrote here, like what the advice that they give this Casa Speciale people, they say, right, you need to convert your permit to lavoro. It's very easy. Understand? Because they want to know because that Casa Speciale is not, it's just a protection. It's like a protection before you just like it's just a special protection. Understand? It's a special protection, Casa Speciale. So now it's just a protection for you to carry on to build your life or your future down here. So that's why they need to see your income to know that if you can take care of the person that you are inviting down to the countryside. So when you are using this Casa Speciale, but some people that are saying that yes, you can apply without no working or any income, you can go for this family unification. But some people are saying yes, they have done it. Sometimes they accept them, but some Costura Prefectura will not accept it. They will say until you convert the document to lavoro, then you can come and apply for this unification, family unification, if you want to bring down your family here. So now, it's very important for you to convert your documents to lavoro. Like they say here, like motivo di lavoro. Understand? That is motivo di lavoro. That is motive of work. That is subordinato. Subordinate and autonomo. People who are holding 1 year subordinate permit and autonomo permit. You can see autonomo can still bring somebody down to the countryside to know if you cannot go for this working issue. You can convert your document to autonomo also. You can still bring down your family to the countryside. So they say a permesso per motivo di studio also, or if you hold carta di soggiorno, that's carta di soggiorno, but the regulation are slightly different than for those with refugee status or subsidiary protection. Subsidiary protection is still strong protection, understand, and asilo political. Those people are different. They can easily ask for family unification, but you that you're holding ex cata soggiorno, motivo di lavoro, motivo di studio, autonomo, they need some income. Understand? You need to bring your income, that is, you're ready to understand your code. You need to present your code before you can ask for this family reunification. So they say if you are still waiting for the final response on your asylum case, or you have 2 years casa speciale, you are not eligible to apply. You are not eligible to apply. Understand? So that's why you need to convert your casa speciale to motivo di lavoro or autonomo. So you can ask to bring your wife or husband if they are over 18. Children under 18 who are not married. Understand? Children over 18 who are depending on you because of health condition or other disabilities. Parents under 65 years, they are depending on you. Understand? But children, if you parents, if that is children over 18 years of age, even if they are depending on you but are not totally disabled, they are not allowed to. You cannot invite those people if they are above 18 years. If you have brother or sister, no matter how old they are, you cannot invite them. It's just children. If your own children under 18, your parents above 55, your wife and your husband, but they need, let me bring down the documents that they need. Before you can go for this, you need to register with the Minister of Interior site for the application if you want to request for this family reunification. So if you hold international protection, understand, to request the nulla osta, you may submit online the following documents: permesso di soggiorno, 16 euro marca da bollo, valid passport or travel documents, copy of your passport of the family member, certificates to prove your family ties such as your marriage or the birth certificate of your children. Understand? If you want to bring your children and your wife or your husband, they need the certificate of the marriage, and they must translate it to Italian. They must translate all those things to Italian with stamp on it from Abuja, or understand all those things. You need to do all those things from Abuja also if you're from Nigeria. But you that you are holding this 1 year or 1 year document, permesso or 2 years permesso motivo di lavoro or ex carta di soggiorno, you need your permesso di soggiorno, valid document, understand, marca da bollo, passport, cumulative certificate for family status and residence. You can request it at the anagrafe of the commune where you live. Anagrafe of the commune where you live. Understand? Then you need to go to your commune. You that have this 2 years motivo di lavoro, ex carta di soggiorno, understand, or autonomo. You need to go to your commune for this certificate. If you get your document, your passport, marca da bollo, and you need some certificate from your commune. They will come and measure your house to know the place that you want to put the person, all those kind of things. They will give you some certificate. But when you are going for your commune, they still need another marca da bollo for this certificate. The receipt they will give to you, your commune. Understand? Even this paper, this receipt the commune will give you, they will still need it. So if you are going for carta di soggiorno, also they still need this document if you are going for carta di soggiorno. So it's a certificate from the commune. Understand? It's a like stato di familiare, and a document to know the kind of the space of your house, the space of the house. If the house is large enough for you and the person that you're inviting to the countryside, so they just want to know. So, and you need to register with in the Minister of Interior, their site, to apply for this family reunification, you need to register in their site. Understand? There's a Ministry of the Interior. So you need to, when you are provided this document, you wait for say 90 days for your NULA or star. Understand? So when you bring all these documents, they will issue this document. But if you're holding as a political subsidiary, no work. They won't ask you for work anything. They will ask you for your ready to. If you like, you are in SPRA. They won't ask you if you are requesting for unification of your family. They won't ask you of your income. Understand? This international protection, they won't ask you. But you, if you have this lavoro or escata de sojourno, you want to bring down your wife, your husband, your children, they will ask you for income. Understand? Your code. They just want to know if your code is going to be sufficient for you and the person that you're inviting to the countryside. Understand? They will ask you for that. But if you're holding asylum protection or subsidiary, they won't ask you for that. Understand? So people are asking about if they have this 2 years, especially if they can invite their family back here. Understand? It's two things. You can still go and try, but in cases they don't allow that. So they want you to convert your document to Lavoro so you can request this family verification. It's very easily for you to invite your family that year. Understand? When you convert your document to Lavoro, it's very easy that you're proving that you're working, that you can take care of the person that you're bringing that year. Understand? So that's why it's easy for you to convert that 2 years to Lavoro so you can use it to bring down your wife. Understand? Or your husband or your children. Understand? But you that you're having as a political subsidiary, you can bring your family without they won't ask you for no income. So this is the update of today. Please try to share this video and invite your friends and family. Let me talk about some Israel and so fake link that is going around from one place to another. That's hate organization. Understand? This hate organization. They are sharing 600 euro or dollars. I don't know. This is, they say, hate organization. They will be sharing link on WhatsApp, different WhatsApp. Okay, this is scam. They are fake link. Any link or any bonuses that is coming out from any places, mostly the country that you're based in, it must be officially from their site. Like we have IMS, we have Comuns, we have CGL, CAF, we have officially Entrata. Those people are the people who are they are the one that easily publish these bonuses or any bonuses online. If you are seeing a link, that is scam. They just need you to put some of your documents. They will scam your phone and take all your details. Please, my brothers, my sisters, be careful how you share links. That's why some people went and share link and they want to ask for this bonus. This REM. This bonus they call REM. This ready to the emergency. Some people don't receive it. Some people went and apply online with some link. They will use your link and use the link to go and apply by themselves and receive the money. Then you'll be there waiting. My money don't come. I've been waiting 7 months. They have not paid me because you are applying the wrong place with the wrong sites, wrong people. Go to CAF, CGL. Ask of Patronato. Those people who go to, if you have the pin of IMS, you find all those bonuses there. Don't believe in all those links that you're seeing on Facebook. If you see any link, first of all, confirm. Go to ask people who talk about anything about bonuses. Have their number. Ask them about some issues, about all these things that you're saying. People have been sending this link, sending the link. I just look the link and I will just click on the link and see this health organization sharing 600 euro. I say this is fake. They don't do that. Link and not share like that. You will see they will publish it on Imo television. They will announce it that they are giving bonuses like this. Even the Italians, they will be showing people who are doing this YouTube bonuses. They will show it on their YouTube channel and say that they have some bonuses. Like I used to follow some Italians that do bonuses also to know if they have new bonuses that can share to my people. But this one is fake. All those one is scam. If those bonuses are coming from IMS, CAF, Patronato, officially entitled, all those bonuses are fake. Don't go and put your document because if you're looking for free money. Be careful. Somebody go and use your document to go and scam other people. They will do something. See you on my next video and please let's stop from here. We'll see you on my next video and please try to share this video and like this video and stay blessed and stay safe. Bye for now. Let's stop from here.